Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we want to show you the strongest spiritual remedy to remove evil spirits, a powerful cleansing direction. So, family, if you constantly experience bad luck, strange occurrences, spiritual attacks, bad dreams, near success syndrome, good things are not able to come into your life, you are struggling with virtually everything. This particular remedy is for you to drive away all evil spirits from your life, for you to get your peace of mind to live your life. So, for this particular direction, all that you are supposed to do is that you get sea salt. So, sea salt is very common. When you come to Ghana, it is very coarse in texture and then it is sold on the market. But if you go to some countries, it is being grounded into fine powder. So you can even check Amazon to buy the sea salt from there. It is not mixed with anything like iodine or any other stuff. It is pure salt, and then it is extracted from the sea through evaporation. So it is very common. If you go to the market women, they can easily give you the sea salt, or you can buy it from some supermarket. Just insist that you want the sea salt. So they'll give you the sea salt and then use it for this particular remedy. So what you are also going to need is one white candle. All that you are supposed to do is that you get the white candle and then use it for this particular direction. And then you are also going to use a clean bowl of water. And then also you are going to get a nail and then any oil. So what you are going to do is that you fill the bowl with clean water and then you add sea salt. So the bowl can be any bowl at all. It can be a metallic bowl, a ceramic bowl, or any rubber bowl with any color. You can use it for this particular direction. So you are just going to add small sea salt, like 1 tablespoon of it, and then you stir it very well. And then when you are stirring, you keep saying that as the sea salt cleanses this water, so shall all evils be cleansed from my life. So you keep saying this and then you keep praying, praying, praying. This is a very spiritual, powerful spiritual direction. So please kindly ensure that you involve yourself in prayer as you do this. No matter your faith, kindly ensure that you do this particular direction with faith, and then you'll be stirring the water and be saying that as salt cleanses, so shall salt cleanse this water and cleanse every negativity in your life. And then also the next thing you are going to do is that you take the nail or the needle or the pin and then you use it to write your name on the candle. So after writing your name, you now use any oil to anoint the candle. And then the next thing to do is that you now burn the candle. So you just light it with either a lighter or a matches or whatever you have to light it. And then as the flame burns, you now say that may this flame burn all evil spirits and all darkness surrounding you in Jesus' name. So you just say that may every satanic spirit leave your life. May every darkness leave your life as this light is on, as this candle is burning, so shall all evil spirits burn, so shall all negativity burn, so shall all darkness leave your life alone for you to have your peace of mind. So you keep on praying, 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 praying. Pray for about 30 minutes with this. Please, there is a midnight direction. You are going to do it on the day that you were born. So that is when you are going to do this. Then you can do it once or you'll be doing it from time to time. And then after doing this, the next thing you are going to do is that you now take the water that you have prayed over for about 30 minutes. You now take it and then you tell God that you should use this water to cleanse your house, cleanse your life, cleanse any negativity in your life. Now, the next thing is that you are going to use the water to wash your face. And then if you can wash your head with it, you wash it your head. Then you wash your hands, wash your feet. But there is not water that you are going to use it to bath. You just have to use it to wash. Just sprinkle a little around your body, and then you use to wash your body like a Muslim doing ablution. But this one, you are just going to apply just small amount of the water on your body, and then you'll be speaking good things upon your life. You'll be saying that may all negativity leave your life, may you be free, may God cleanse your body from all negative energies, any satanic spirit that is following you, that is not making you to get your husband, to get your wife, to get your job, to get your visa, to get whatever good that you want, that is blocking you. May it live your life. So you spend time to do this. You'll be praying, and then you'll be saying good things, positive affirmations on your life. You'll be saying good things. And then you'll be saying that may bad things leave your life. May your body be cleansed of all the bad things that you don't want, all the sicknesses that you don't want, all the problems, all the evils. You can also do it for somebody. You can just be doing it, and then you mention the person's name, that you are doing it on behalf of that person. May God use this direction to help that person. If maybe a friend is in prison, a friend is in hospital, or you want the person to come out from a bad situation, the person is smoking, the person is doing something evil, you can do this. So you pray for, sometimes you wash your head, you wash your face, you wash your feet, you wash your hands, and then you be doing this with saying the good things upon your life, and then you allow the candle to burn for about 15 minutes. So please, if you are going to do it on behalf of somebody else, you write the person's name on the candle, and then you allow the candle to burn for about 15 minutes. And then what you are going to do is that if there is any leftover water, you now throw away the water on bare ground. Please, if your house is cemented, you come out of the house to throw away the water on bare ground. And then, or if you have a tree, you can go and throw the water under the tree. Then you say that may this water be a sign that all the negativity in my life has left me for good. And then for this particular direction, you can be doing it from time to time. So you can do it just once, or you'll be doing it from time to time. You can also decide that every month you do it once. When there is new moon, you just do it. You pray, and then you do this. Or you can also be doing it every week. Anytime that you think you can do it, you can do it. And then also you can also take some of the water to sprinkle the front of your shop or whatever. But please, you can just use this to cleanse. So don't go and be sprinkling it in your store like you want it to attract customers to you. This is for cleansing. If you are sad that people are not buying from your shop, you can also wait and then use this water. So whatever water you use to mop your store, you just add this water to it to mop your store, and then you are going to get customers. If you are having a farm, the farm is not doing well, you just have to go and then sprinkle the water around the farm. Then you see that the farm will start doing well. Wherever you want to remove negative energy, you just have to go and sprinkle this water around that area, and then it is going to remove every negativity, every negative energy that is blocking you over there. If you are going for a job interview, kindly ensure that you do this particular direction the day before you go. And then God is going to use it to cleanse your way, and then open the way for you to get whatever you want. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about other things that will benefit you, like some herbal remedies that will make your skin glow, and so many things, and other spiritual directions. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel and then watch more videos. Thank you very much. Bye. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.